Hi everyone, myself Chaitra Shetty from Mangalore. My qualification is MSc in Organic Chemistry with B.Ed. Today I am here to teach you math subject. So today's topic is, it's very interesting topic and personally it is one of my favorite topics, that is fraction. So now let's start the class. First and foremost, we have to learn and we have to know the definition of the fraction. What is fraction? So fraction is, it is a number representing equal part of a whole thing. So what is fraction? Fraction is a number representing equal part of a whole thing, and it is always in the form of P by Q. In the form of what? P by Q, where P is numerator and Q is denominator. So always we have to represent fraction in the form of P by Q. Is 1 is fraction? Is 2 is fraction? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are numbers. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, all these are fraction? No. Those are decimals. Then how, which is fraction? Fraction always in the form of P by Q. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 6 by 10, all these are fractions. Example for fractions. Now I'll show you one example. At that time you will clearly understand the definition of the fraction. Okay. Now see here. Consider this is a cake. Ya's favorite cake. So think that in your home 4 members are there. How many members? 4 members are there. So what you have to do? You have to cut this cake into 4 equal parts. So why 4 equal parts? Why? Because in your home 4 members are there. So you have to cut this cake into equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each one of your family member should get equal part of this. So how much part you will going to eat in this cake? So you are going to eat 1 part of this, and other 3 parts your family members are going to eat. Now how to write this in a fraction form? So it should be in a P by Q. First you have to write Q, denominator. So total number of parts. Total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be written in a denominator place. 4. So how much part each of you going to eat? So 1 part, right? You and all 3 members are going to eat 1 part. So 1. So what is the fraction form of this? 1 by 4. 4 is denominator, 1 is numerator. 4 is total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is how much you are going to eat, your family members, and you are going to eat 1 part. That is 1. 1 by 4. Understood? Now see. Here, this is the one figure. So what is this? This is rectangle. See how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. Can you see? Rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. But 2 parts are colored blue. Yes or no? Yes, right? The 2 parts are colored blue. Then how we can going to write this in a fraction form? First we have to write denominator, total number of parts. So how many parts are there? 8. 8 you have to write in a denominator place. And how many parts are colored blue? 2 parts. So how to write in a fraction form? 2 by 8. What is the fraction form of this figure? 2 by 8. Understood? Now, can you say the fraction form of this figure? Can you say the fraction form of this figure? Here see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there, but it is not equally divided. The 1 and 2 are smaller, 3, 4 are little bigger. So you cannot write this one in the fraction form. Why? Because it is not equally divided. Understood what is fraction? Next we can move to the types of fraction. So there are 7 types of fractions are there. So but today I am telling you the major 3 types of fraction. The first one is proper fraction, second one is improper fraction, and the third one is mixed fraction. Now I will explain what is proper fraction. It is also the proper fraction is a number in which here numerator is smaller than the denominator. Always numerator should be smaller than the denominator. Those fractions are known as proper fraction. Understood what is proper fraction? Numerator should be smaller than the denominator. Next we are going to improper fraction. Improper fraction is reverse of the proper fraction. Then what is that? The improper fraction is one in which here the numerator should be greater than the denominator. What is the improper fraction? Numerator is always greater than the denominator, or numerator is equal to the denominator. Those fractions are known as improper fraction. Numerator is equal to denominator is also improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator is also called as improper fraction. The next we are moving to mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Here mixed fraction is one in which natural number. What is a mixed fraction? Natural number is followed by proper fraction. You know that what is natural number? Natural numbers are the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3 until uncountable. So those are the natural numbers. So what is mixed fraction? Natural numbers are followed by proper fraction. Those are known as a mixed fraction. See here, this is fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a number representing equal part of a whole thing, which is in the form of P by Q, like this. P is numerator, Q is denominator. The next we are moving to types of fraction. The first one is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Numerator is smaller than denominator. You can see the example here. All here numerators are smaller than the denominators. Can you see it right? The next we can move to improper fraction. Improper fraction is numerator is equal to denominator is also improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator is also improper fraction. Here see, you can see the examples here. 4 by 4, 6 by 3, 5 by 2, 2 by 1. You can see here all the numerators are greater, denominators are smaller, and here these two are equal. Those fractions are known as improper fractions. Then we can move to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is natural number followed by proper fraction. This is the natural number 3, 5, 10 and followed by proper fraction. Always natural number is written in the middle and proper fraction. This is the mixed fraction. Today I have explained small portion of a fraction chapter. In the next video I am going to explain you other topics. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.